everyone, my name is Justin Boats with the Inferno Mobile Youth Arts Program and the Chicago Parks District. Do any of you play an instrument? Have any of you ever tried to make an instrument? It sounds like it might be a difficult task, right? Well, in this video, I am going to attempt to make 7 different instruments in less than 3 minutes and show you how to do the same thing. Before we get started, we should probably define what a musical instrument actually is. Let's say it's a device that's created or adapted to create musical sound. And with that, let's start the timer. Instrument 1, kazoo. You know what I'm talking about, kazoo. What you need, toilet paper roll, tin foil. Or you could use wax paper. Take the toilet paper roll and the tin foil. Hooray! Number 2, how about we try to make an egg shaker? For this, I'm just using a vitamin bottle. I've just got a bunch of rice in here that I'm putting in. Aha! Let's check out this tone. Sounds pretty good. Instrument 3. Let's try to create a wind instrument. For this, you'll just need some bottles. Hooray! Instrument 4. Let's try to create some kind of stringed instrument, like a guitar or a ukulele or something like that. For this, all you need is a box, or in this case, I'm using a bread pan, and some rubber bands. Boop. All you have to do for this instrument is stretch the rubber bands over your box or pan. Great, you did it! Instrument 5, spoons. For this instrument, all you need are spoons. What you're gonna want to do is take your 2 spoons and place them on either side of your index finger, like this. Notice that as I hold this, the 2 spoons are separated. Spoons! Instrument 6, a slide whistle. For this instrument, all you're gonna need is a straw. To create this instrument from a straw, what you're gonna want to do is pinch the straw at some point. Then, all you have to do is blow on the top of the straw like we did with the bottles and move that pinched part of your hand up the straw. We did it! Instrument 7, tin can drums. For this instrument, you're gonna need some cleaned out tin cans. Make sure you clean them out so you don't have weird gunk inside. You'll also want some pencils with erasers on the end. These make great drumsticks. We did it! 7 instruments in 3-ish minutes. That's incredible! If you liked this video, make sure you like and subscribe so you can be informed of all the new tutorials and cool digital art related videos we're going to be making in the future. Also, make sure you check out the free Inferno cookbook by clicking on the link in the description. There you'll find recipes for all kinds of fun, creative projects and activities. Thanks for watching!